Hello everyone, this is Casey from iSugar. Today I want to show you how we do the stitching work with the K2 Pro footage in MistikaVR. Let's check it out. In the Mistika, first we are using the project manager to set a new project here by clicking a new project button and type in a file like K2 Pro new demo. And the frame rate should be the same as your input. In this case, we are 59.94. The video size is not listing in the job list, so we are having a new size like 5760, which is the best for the K2 Pro. We click OK, and we can drag in the video file. I have a fun time with my boy in the beach side, and we are having this video. I'm telling the software there are two files in segment and use a preset, which is the K2 Pro iSugar MKX200. Hit open and continue. First, we are checking the left eyes by clicking this button, and we can check for the left eyes and check for the size. The yellow ring is showing the crop size, which you don't want it too big or too small. Just slightly behind the blue fringes along the edges should be what we need. So this is the left eyes, and we are going to check the right eyes. So they are okay with this set. So when you're okay, we can disable this menu and do the stereo alignment. We can use the anaglyph mode, or better with the black and white anaglyph mode. We look for some vertical parallax. In the faraway object at the center, there's no vertical shift on the red and the blue because they are good in the center. And then we are checking on the sideway. Make sure there's no red and blue shift in the vertical sense, or you may want to adjust with the alignment function here. And we also check with the other side. Look for the tip of the tree. There's no vertical shift, and that will be okay. And as long as your camera was set in the absolute horizon level, the preset shall work. By the way, this sample was not a good one because we were accidentally moved the focus a little bit, so the faraway object was slightly blurry, but it's okay for our demo. When you hit the side-by-side VR 180, this is the delivery format. You may have noticed there's slightly color difference between the left eye and the right eyes. We can fix it by clicking the color menu and match color. When you check in the side-by-side format again, they are better matched now. But the color, it is not so cool because it was stripped out from the Rec 709 from the Zcam. And in the next video, I will show you how we can fix that with a single button click in the Zcolor plugin in Premiere. And also, you are seeing the left lens in the right view and the right lens in the left view. And we can also do a mask to hide out this thing, so the audience will have better user experience. After having some quick color adjustment with the color plugin in Premiere Pro, we have something like this. And here is the slow motion. Inside the VR headset, the stereo is still okay even if he was just standing at 1 feet away from the camera. I wish you enjoy it, and stay tuned with our channel, and hopefully we can see each other very soon in real life. Thank you. Bye-bye.